Namaskar. Good evening. Today I will discuss about the Supreme Court's interpretation on the governor's role in India. Some months back, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, N.K. Stalin, filed a petition before the Honorable Supreme Court that some bills of the Tamil Nadu, which have been passed by the Tamil Nadu Assembly and presented to the governor, but that the governor did not give assent to the bill and sat over the matter for years together. Thereafter, the governor returned the bill to the Tamil Nadu Assembly. Thereafter, the Tamil Nadu government filed a petition before the Honorable Supreme Court that they are the state legislature, they are elected representative of the state, they have the responsibility to pass the bill because they are the legislature, they have the responsibility to pass the bill before the assembly for which they have been elected, but that bills have been withheld by the governor who is a representative of the central government. Then Supreme Court in the month of two-judge bench of the Supreme Court in the month of April gave their judgment that if the bills have not been assented by the governor for years together, then these bills will be treated as passed, and by which the some 10 bills of the Tamil Nadu became the act without the assent of the governor. Along with it, they framed a timeline for the governor to give its assent. Even they framed a timeline for the president to give its consideration to a bill, if any, sent to the President of India. Thereafter, there was a complete debate that how the Supreme Court of India will give direction to the head of the state, governor, and president to function within a time limit. At this time, President of India, the Draupadi Murmu, also framed 14 questions and referred to the Supreme Court of India. In these 14 questions, mainly the President has asked how the Supreme Court of India, without any provision in the Constitution, can give a timeline to the executive head to give its assent within a timeline and other matters. Then recently, some days back, the five-judge bench of the Supreme Court, chaired by Supreme Court Chief Justice B.R. Gavai, gave its judgment. In that judgment, they removed the timeline because this is a naked interference of judiciary in the power of the executive. But they removed the timeline for the governor and president, but they give three things which is contained in Article 200 of the Constitution. Three things: what the governor will give its assent, or governor will return the bills to the president, to the house again for reconsideration, and third, governor may refer the bills to the president of India for consideration. These things, beyond these three things, there is nothing other than these three things. So, it is a good interpretation of the Constitution when there is no timeline in the Constitution in the Article 200. Can the judiciary give such type of timeline for the governor or president to give its assent? So, in this landmark judgment of Supreme Court of India recently, there is a no complete loss of the state government space, but there is some face saving of state government and also center. This has been concluded in this judgment recently. Thank you.